Greenhouse kits offer a practical path to extending your growing season, protecting delicate plants from cold snaps, pests, and erratic weather. For urban and suburban gardeners, a ready-made structure can be a smarter choice than a DIY build, delivering predictable dimensions, airflow, and material quality.
List number 1. Green Grow Greenhouse. This is the premium, larger capacity model in the lineup, designed for outdoor use with a heavy-duty frame, a thick PE cover, and a walk-in footprint that accommodates up to 24 plant pots. Key specs include a 16mm nominal wall thickness, a 6.2 feet height, and a 4-rope, 4-stake stabilization system. It emphasizes wind resistance up to 45 miles per hour and a sturdy 22-pound weight capacity per shelf. The step-by-step assembly with no tools required and its multi-purpose indoor-outdoor suitability are strong selling points for serious hobbyists. Performance-wise, the 57 by 57 by 76-inch footprint yields generous vertical and horizontal space for seed trays, larger pots, and multi-chair planting. The thick PE cover provides waterproofing and UV attenuation, while the screened windows help regulate humidity and airflow. In practice, the enclosure helps maintain more stable temperature and moisture compared with smaller, lighter kits, making it suitable for longer-term storage of seedlings or heat-living crops. The trade-off is higher initial setup effort and bulk, which may limit placement to larger patios or backyards. Consider wind exposure and anchoring needs in open spaces, and note that assembly is easier with 2 people due to the large panels.
List number 2. Green Grow Greenhouse. A more compact Green Grow model built for limited space, yet retaining the core features of a PE-covered, wind-stable frame. It reduces overall footprint while retaining a 6.4-foot height for vertical growth potential. The design includes 1 vent and a 16mm thick base, with a total weight around 15.12 pounds, making it a lighter option that remains stable with stakes and guy lines. Performance-wise, this smaller footprint is ideal for balcony, patio, or sunroom setups where space is at a premium. The 16mm thick base and reinforced PE cover still provide respectable protection from light wind and rain, and the structured shelves enable organized seedling propagation. Because of its more compact dimensions, it may limit the number of simultaneous seed trays and the size of plants you can accommodate, but it shines as a starter greenhouse or for seedling hardening after germination. Easy portability makes it attractive for renters or seasonal use.
List number 3. Greenhouse. Walk-in greenhouse with 8 sturdy shelves. This model emphasizes an 8-shelf configuration, prioritizing vertical organization and a PVC clear cover for frost and pest protection. Its dimensions place it in the mid to large range, with a proportionately roomy interior and included stakes for stability. The frame materials are steel with a PVC cover, and it is marketed for both indoor and outdoor use, with user-friendly assembly that tolerates minimal tool involvement. Performance-wise, the 8 shelves enable dense plant staging, from seed trays to potted specimens. The PVC cover is transparent, aiding light transmission, but users should monitor internal humidity to avoid mold in poorly ventilated spaces. The structure is well suited for extended seasons in sheltered patios, garages, or sunrooms, but may be less weather resistant than heavier-duty PE-covered models in extreme conditions. It also carries a low price tag.
List number 4. Rowlife DIY Miniature Greenhouse Kit. A distinctly different entry, this is a miniature hobbyist-focused kit designed for display rather than functional horticulture. It's marketed as a tiny house-making kit with miniature furniture and is targeted at adult crafters or decorative use around holidays and gifts. Price sits at the budget end of the spectrum, offering a collectible-style build rather than a real growing space. Performance-wise, this kit does not serve as a functional greenhouse for plant propagation. It's a detailed miniature with furniture pieces and decorative appeal, suitable for hobbyists and display setups. The assembly experience is more about design and craft than horticultural efficiency. If your primary goal is plant propagation or seedling care, this is not the right category.
If you want a whimsical, collectible display, it offers a compelling value. List number 5. Greenhouse for outdoors. A budget-friendly walk-in greenhouse designed for outdoor use with 4 shelves and a 56.3 by 28.74 by 76.77-inch footprint. It emphasizes easy setup with detachable design and tool-free assembly, and includes a thermometer and hydrometer for environmental monitoring. The reinforced PE cover and galvanized steel frame aim to offer sturdy, year-round use. Performance-wise, the Bennis unit provides decent room for small pots and seed trays, with 17.5-inch shelf spacing and stability features like ground stakes and ropes. The included monitoring instruments are helpful for novices aiming to observe temperature and humidity trends. While it is lighter and more affordable than larger models, it is still a walk-in design, making it suitable for patios or balconies that need a little extra growing space without committing to a larger structure.